Hello and welcome back, everybody. J-Man back here for some more reactions. So we are working our way through my Your Suggestions Here video comments, suggestions. I'd said it at the end of my video. Let me say it again here at the beginning of this video. So we are now we've moved away from pretty much the Nightwish exclusive journey, learning all the things about Nightwish. Not learning all the things, but learning a good part of the things about Nightwish. So we now are moving to where I am going to be reacting to videos from my video on my channel. It should be pinned to the top of my videos page. The video titled Your Suggestions Here. If you have a video, if you have a band, a song that you want me to react to, you need to comment in that video. Your Suggestions Here. Comment in that video. You can look through there and see if somebody else has already recommended what you're looking for, and you can just thumbs up their comment. So we're basically going with the most commented, most thumbs up suggestions first, but working our way all the way through that folder, going with the ones that have been recommended the most. So please do not, in the comments section of this video, do not put your suggestions for other songs you want me to listen to. Go back to that video titled Your Suggestions Here, put your comment in there. If you comment in a reaction video, I'm not going to necessarily listen to it. I'm not even adding those to my list. I'm not even trying to add those suggestions that end up in the comment section of one of my reactions. I'm not taking those and putting them on any sort of sheet or anything. So if you want your suggestion heard, go over to that video titled Your Suggestions Here, put your comment in there, and I will get to it. So with that said, we've got something that definitely, it's something that early on when we were doing the Nightwish journey, at some point, there have been times when I've kind of done some Twitch exclusive stuff where we did some reactions to a few things off camera for YouTube, something we knew we weren't going to upload to YouTube. So I have heard this before off YouTube with Twitch, but I wanted everybody on YouTube to be able to get my reaction to it since it was one that was highly recommended. So yeah, so we're going to do this. So it's not a blind listen, but we only listened to it once, and it's been quite some time. So, you know, yeah, so here we go. Floor Jansen at Metropole Orchestra, with the Metropole Orchestra, Sound of Wind. This is, if I'm remembering right, it was something that was being used in one of the Final Fantasy video games. So let's go. Let's get into it.
Dreaming of the stars high that speak to me in sacred sights, drifting on a breeze only I can feel and hear.
I got you, Taro.
Don't hesitate, don't look back, we've got
All right. Yeah. So very cool vocal there by Floor. So yeah, from the Final Fantasy Crystal Chronicles. I mean, musically, yeah, it's video game music. Some video game music is very interesting and very cool. Wasn't like my favorite style as far as the song is concerned, but no denying that Floor's vocal is freaking incredible. There's just, I think with Floor, I think for everybody, your ear had your own personal taste, the way your ear, well, the way your brain interprets the sound. Your ear is really just a conduit. But basically, the way that you hear certain tones, certain things, they resonate with you. And Floor's voice just resonates with me. There's something about her voice and her tone that just puts a smile on my face. Makes my heart swell up. I mean, it's super, super rich and crisp and pretty and whatever all other freaking adjectives that you want to use. So yeah, I definitely really really enjoyed her vocal on that. And I've said it before, I don't think there's a vocal that Floor could do that I wouldn't like. All of the different colors and textures of her voice are all just absolutely fantastic to me. So yeah, so there we go. Floor Jansen's Sound of the Wind for the Final Fantasy Chronicles. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you're having a good weekend. We'll be back for a couple of more today, and then I think me and Afex are going to go do a little more race car driving. So yeah, thanks everybody. Thanks Twitch. Thanks YouTube. We'll be back. Peace.